St. James man accused of beheading his mother charge. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. The St. James police have charged a man who was arrested in connection with the recent taking out of his 53-year-old mother, Michelle Gray Brown, who was of a retirement address in the parish. The accused has been identified as 29-year-old Shamar Brown, otherwise called Shem. He was charged with murder on Wednesday afternoon. The accused reportedly gave a caution statement to investigators. He was taken into custody for questioning in connection with the killing of his mother, whose headless body was discovered inside their house, which they both occupied together on Monday. Reports found that Brown's decapitated body was discovered inside her home on Monday afternoon. This was after residents went in search of the woman after she was not seen throughout the day. The head was later found inside the room on a bed. The son was reportedly taken into custody by the police. It is also reported that the son is of unsound mind. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.